Let me explain how these tools works. Okay, so first, uh, as we are continuous building this one, so I give actually less focus on editing and formatting, rather I focus on functions. So first of all, we have config tab, this one for configuration, set up everything as you want. So for example, you can change or update sizes, and you can change month name. Basically I will change the month name soon as okay. So I'll change this to Italian. You can see when I share you, and again you can change anything in this tab. Okay, so just keep in mind this data actually can be accessible from here and any other places, like maybe here. Okay, so this is the size control. You can add, remove anything as you want. Same thing goes for channels. You can use up to 10 item. Same thing for accounts or quantity. And okay, so then we have the quotation, I mean price quotation setup. You enter the base price here, price for each C, and trade fair. Then for different size and labels, same rules. Okay, so what will this do? It will actually works on this estimation data. Okay, you can change item and price, total price already changing. Okay, let's see. Then this for the categories, possible categories. Okay, so now what you will do, you update sales data here, date by date. You just continuous editing sales data as long as you want. When the row ended, just click here, it will automatically update added new rows for you. Okay, so you update continuously, like you finish March detail, then April, then whatever is, you can update this day by day. Same for inventory. This one actually for it's semi-automatic, like you enter starting inventory here, and this so sales quantity and ending quantity will calculate by formula, so you don't need to edit anything here. You only update here, and also you can update, add size here, and again same rules. You can add new rows and add new items. Okay, then tips. I really don't understand how these things works, but I almost replicate or copy your table. Okay, so these are formulas, so you don't need to change these data. Let me change this formula. Okay, so that's it, and you don't need to change this item because these will calculate automatically, but you need to enter this value, and how you use this I'm not sure, so let me know. Okay, then again for materials, this for other materials, you can enter name, categories. This category came from here, quantity, minimum quantity, etc. Then for purchase data, same here. Okay, so I'm also confused how you use this data, so I just place here, otherwise we don't have anything working here now. In the dashboard you can see a summary, like if you change the month name, like if you change like January, we don't have data for January. If we select March, we have data for March. Okay, and everything calculated automatically. If we select April, in April we only have one data, so we have different data summary, like sales by channels, sales by accounts, sales by product size, and sales by each product. Okay, like maybe you can see Mars, you can see the details. So this is how these things works for now. I hope this will fulfill your expectation. Yet we are going to update this one more details and professional way as long down the road. Let me know how you want to change things, okay? Because your requirement is almost clear, yet I don't fully understand your business. That is why probably in some cases we might need to adjust. Okay, let me know. Don't hesitate to ask for any adjustment or anything to change. And also you can change colors and format any way you want to. Okay, or you can ask me to do that. I will help to update for you. So I'm really excited to work with you, and for now I want to say sorry for the delay, because okay, I was taking time to understand your files, but okay, that's it. And let me know, I did not update this one. Okay, I will update, because okay, let me know how to make these things more convenient and easy for you. I will do my best. Okay, thank you very much.